Hello everyone. Well, here I have the form already laid out, and I'm using those anchor pins to hold the shape. And right now I'm spreading my pre-mixed concrete into the form. You can see it looks like I'm adding a lot of concrete into this little stone area here. I'll show you what I'm going to do next. But the anchor pins work really good holding the form in shape. Alright, I want to make sure I get all the concrete out of this tub here because I don't want to get hard. Alright, I'm starting to press it into the form. You can see the form holding its shape. Wear gloves or use your trowel or put gloves on or something like that. I mean, it's just don't do what I do. Alright, see, I'm going to open up the form. I'm showing you that the form, no matter what, even though you start, you can make changes. Just put the pins back in, hold the form, and start spreading out your concrete. Alright, right there I need a pin. I put my anchor pin right there. And there we go, it holds it. I'm just spreading it out. You want all the stones to have the same height. Again, it looks like the cement's a little dry there. But as you work it, move it around, moisture will start coming to the surface. I'm really doing nothing but just moving the cement around, making it even. Coloring and textures and stuff like that you can do later. But right now I'm just like moving everything around. Now see, by patting the surface like this, I'm bringing moisture to the surface. And it's making the surface smooth. This is what you want to do. So when you add your color, the color will blend right into the top layer of the cement. Now here I am adding my color. And I'm going to mix this into the top half-inch layer of the stone. Real stones have multiple colors, so sometimes I like using 2 or 3 colors on a stone at the same time. Just work it in. Keep patting the surface, bring that moisture up. Smooths it out. It's looking good. Alright, I'm going to remove the anchor pins. I'm going to remove the form. I'm going to give the form a little jiggle here. Just shake it. It loosens it up. You just pull it up. Just be gentle. You won't have any problems. And if you do run into a problem, you can still fix it. Here I am right now. Here I'm opening up that space between the other stones because that space is a little too small. And here I am just tapping the surface again. Blending it all in. And it's still moist, so I'm going to add some more color there. Blend it in. This is the time you want to use maybe a paper bag or a plastic bag. Crinkle it up, pat the surface, get texture to it. There's a million ways to get texture. I'm just using the trowel here to get all my fingerprints out because real stones, they don't have fingerprints in them. It's like, all right, I'm just working the edge there. Don't forget the multiple colors too. That works really good. Right, that's looking good. Get those fingerprints out. And that's done. Looks good. I hope this video inspired you to give this a try and create your own beautiful natural looking concrete stepping stones. If you still need help, please visit our website on how to use a flexible, reusable concrete shaping form. Thank you for watching, and please like and share with your friends. See you soon.